Inventory holding costs represent about 30% of total inventory expenses, making efficient inventory management critical for businesses aiming to remain competitive and profitable. Stockouts, which average 8% across industries and can spike to 10% during promotions, contribute significantly to lost revenue. However, with advanced inventory management techniques and predictive analytics, businesses can reduce these rates and minimize operational costs. Real-time inventory management is a key factor in improving operations and cutting costs. Retailers lose up to $1 trillion annually due to stockouts and overstocks, highlighting the importance of accurate tracking systems. Real-time visibility across sales channels, enabled by cloud-based technology and API integrations, ensures inventory data is constantly updated, preventing overselling and improving stock performance metrics. Additionally, automated alerts notify teams of low stock levels, product expiration, and discrepancies between expected and actual inventory, allowing for proactive inventory management. Inventory reconciliation is made more efficient with real-time updates, automating stock tracking and reducing errors from manual counting. Regular cycle counting, combined with automated systems, ensures ongoing accuracy without disrupting operations. Predictive analytics using historical and live data helps businesses forecast future inventory needs. Time series models predict demand based on past patterns, considering trends, seasonal fluctuations, and outliers. This allows for more accurate safety stock calculations, reducing the risk of both overstocking and understocking. AI-driven techniques, such as machine learning for dynamic reorder points and inventory classification using ABC and HML models, optimize inventory management further. These models allow businesses to make data-driven decisions about stock levels, ensuring resources are focused on high-demand items while minimizing storage costs for low-priority products. AI-powered digital twins simulate inventory operations, providing insights into potential improvements without disrupting actual processes. This helps businesses optimize their inventory systems and test scenarios in a virtual environment. Machine learning also helps detect shrinkage by identifying unusual patterns in inventory or sales data, thus preventing theft and errors. By continuously monitoring inventory, AI systems can flag discrepancies in real time, reducing the chance of losses. Predictive models improve reorder point accuracy, reducing stockouts and maintaining optimal service levels. Key performance indicators, KPIs, like inventory turnover ratio and GMROI are essential for tracking inventory efficiency. High turnover ratios indicate better inventory management, while GMROI measures the profit earned for every dollar spent on inventory. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory management further reduces holding costs by ordering stock only when needed, benefiting companies in sectors like healthcare, which saves millions annually through JIT implementation. Additionally, machine learning algorithms and real-time demand matching reduce back orders by up to 30%. Warehouse space is optimized through heat map analytics, identifying inefficiencies and improving picking operations, which can reduce travel distances by 20%. In conclusion, businesses that adopt real-time inventory systems, predictive analytics, and AI-driven tools can significantly reduce holding costs, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance overall supply chain operations. These technologies are not only cost-saving but also provide a competitive edge by optimizing inventory management and supporting data-driven decision-making.